Haven't seen Boopers for a few hours, so I'm gonna go upstairs and see if I can find him. Boopers! See if maybe he went back in his tent. Boopers! Boopers? There you are. How you doing? Huh? Do you want your lunch? It's past your lunchtime. Are you having fun hanging out in your tent? Yeah? No? Do you like hanging out in there? Yeah? You want to come out? You can come out. Good boy. Yeah, it's a good boy, aren't you? You want to go downstairs and get your lunch? A belly rub first? There you go. A belly rub. There you go. You want to come downstairs now? No? You want more belly rubs? The other side? Ah, there we go. Come on. Let's go get lunch. Come on. You ready? Let's go. Come on. You'll come get lunch? Come on. Not done with your belly rubs? Come on. Come on. Let's go get lunch. Come on. You want to come on? Come on.